Hey, I'm Zaid Khan. Today my topic is public administration, concepts, contexts and approaches. The field of study, protectively science or discipline of public administration, focus upon public administration as a process. Historically, conventionally, public administration has been primarily concerned with the problem of how to apply or affect with the law faithfully, honestly, economically and efficiently. More recently, public administration has become concerned with the process by which public administration in creating or interpreting law with how such creating or interpreting with wisely, correctly or in the public interest. The process of public administration consists of the action involved in the intent or desire of government. It is thus continuously active. Business part of government. Carrying out the law made by legislative body, interpreted by court through the process of management or organization. The credit for initiating as an academic study goes to Woodrow Wilson. He is considered as the father of the discipline of public administration, published in 1887. He emphasized the need for study public administration as a discipline, administration, dichotomy, separation of politics and administration. Wilson argued that administration lies outside the proper sphere of politics. Administration questions and politics questions are not same, according to Frank J. Now, politics has to do with the express of state will, or administration has to do with the execution of these policies. According to Woodrow Wilson, detailed and systematic execution of public administration, every particular application of general law is an act of public administration, according to L.D. White. Public administration, the system of public administration is the composite of laws, regulations, applications, combination of codes and customs. At any time, in any jurisdiction, for the fulfillment or execution of these policies. Thank you.